Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically find the folder where your Google Sheets is in. So basically you're just going to go to the file section, you're going to then go to details, and here it will show the location of where your Google Sheets or Docs is located. Or if you're on like move, they'll also like tell you where it is. You can also like move it to like another folder, for instance, and then it's going to show you the details here where your Google Sheets or Google Docs is located. But if it's like shared with you, it's not going to show where the file is located. But that's basically where it is. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box. The description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.